Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna show you how to create a combination of a web service and automation based on IBM I green screen application plus access to the database behind. So this is our application. We start with in a menu, press 3, enter. Next screen we have to input a cust ID and an option like update. Press enter. Now we can read the related data to the customer ID, and we like to consume the result of this automation in a web service like this. Just send any cust ID and get back particular information of the customer. How we are going to do it? We are entering our into IDE. We are now work as a developer. The only thing we need in first step is a web service. So then the web service we call customer service. This is created by a wizard, and we just need to input over here the data fields we are interested in to send by the web service, and we need to launch the automation. You remember, launching automation was typing 3 and enter, and this is what you see here. The menu screen, the first input field, we type and a 3, and thereafter we send a key. In that case, we send the key enter. So now we do have the screen here, and from this screen, after launching, we go to the next one. So the next screen looks like this, and you remember we input the customer ID and the option to these two fields, and this is cust ID is the name of the field. The name of this field is option. So now we have a little source snippet. We have to run it in two ways. One way is if we go back. So if we go back to the menu from another screen, we just send F3 to go back to the screen before. And if we move forward, we just send the cust ID text. No, we don't send. We get the cust ID from the web service consumer and write into the cust ID text, and in option text we write a U and then send enter. This screen cust ID U, sending enter thereafter. Then system automatically goes to the next screen, this one. In this screen we read the data we are interested in and return. So that means the first thing is we need from name.text and street.text. So this is the field this is the field called name, and this is the field we call street internally. But we do not have every information on a UI screen. So for this we get a data table, select from where cust ID equals the current customer ID we are working on, and then we read the city, not from the screen but from the result set of the select. Then we set the customer service done to true. So now the data are going to the consumer. Then we set go back to true and press F3. Then we go back to this screen. So now in case of go back, set F3 again, and the system goes back to the menu and is waiting for the next one. How does it look like? We already run the web service over here, and everything we have to do now, we have to use the RESTlet client for testing web services, and in case of number 4 we get the data back, or number maybe 44 we get another data back. You remember city comes from SQL request, and cast ID, name and street come from the UI screen. Thank you for your attention. Have a good time, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.